In this video, I'd like to demonstrate a couple of ideas on how to use the Taylor trading method a little more successfully. Now, here's my chart of the E-mini on Monday, April 7th, and as you'll notice, I've drawn the trading zone out on my chart, resistance and support, and the previous day's close. All right, very simple. And I'm going to take you through the day, and I want to make a point after the day has traded. And I'm going to do this for each day of this trading week. The market opens up just prior to 9:30, and notice that the market trades down below the calculated trading range. All right? And here is the price right at 9:48. This is a 3-minute chart, and there are 25 points between each horizontal line. So we're talking pretty big numbers here. Let me continue. Okay, you see where the market went? Market started up well below the trading zone, traded up through the trading zone, went way above the previous day's close, came back down, all right? I'm not going to bore you. I think I was going to take you through the whole day, but I've made my point. The market started well below the trading zone, traded up through it. Finished. End of story. You could, if you made this trade, if you got on at the lower point of the day, when the market prices were below the trading zone and the price rose way up above the trading zone, even if you got off at the previous day's close, you made a lot of money. All right, let me go forward to the next day, to Tuesday, April 8th. Okay, here's Tuesday, April 8th. Prices start up well above the trading zone. Where are prices going to go? Remember, prices started well above the trading zone. On the previous day, they started well below the trading zone, and then traded down into the trading zone. Okay, and if you transpose the trading zone, and as you know, the range is particularly effective with Taylor's trading zone. If you transpose it, transpose the clone, and prices traded exactly within the calculated range. Okay, let me take you through toward Wednesday. Okay, here's Wednesday, April 9th. Notice that prices start right in the middle of the trading zone, exactly at the previous day's close. Now remember, I wanted to make a point in showing you 5 consecutive days of trading and suggesting how to use Taylor's trading zone more effectively. Notice prices are starting out at the middle of the day's range, stayed pretty close to the previous day's close, and then shot up. Now, of course, you can't anticipate this. It could have shot down, right? I mean, something happened on Wednesday, April 9th, and of course, that was an announcement day. So, could you anticipate this? But note, the important thing that I wanted to call your attention to is that prices didn't start well below or well above the trading zone. They started right in the middle of the trading zone. On a day like this, maybe you shouldn't trade. Why stress? All right? Let's move forward to Thursday. Okay, now here's Thursday, April 10th, and notice where prices are starting up. Pretty much just above the middle of the trading zone, all right? Which way are prices going to go? Would you know? Would you know? Prices are going down. Maybe they'll go up. The point is, prices started in the middle of the trading zone, not well above it, not well below it. So maybe this is another day where you should just sit it out. Okay, Monday, April 7th, they opened well below the trading zone, traded up through it. Tuesday, April 8th, they opened well above the trading zone, traded down into it. Wednesday, they opened right in the middle. Who knows where it's going to go? Leave it alone. Thursday, same thing. Who knows where it's going to go? Leave it alone. Friday, same thing. Who knows where it's going to go? Leave it alone. All right? So you made good money on days where the prices were trading or opened well above or below the trading zone, and leave the rest of the days alone. Why stress? Use the Taylor indicator, the Taylor trading zone, to show you where prices are likely to trade, and if the market opens well above or below it, pretty good guess that that's a day that you should keep your eye on your chart and maybe make enough money to pay the bills for the month. So that's my video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I'll see you in my next video.